Let's start with the last session of the topic variables and operators. Now we will see that how we can print some text with some numeric values. In this program, we will try to print the predefined value of the type integer, and along with that we will just print some text. In the first line we are given int x is equal to 30. It means that a value of the variable x of the type integer and the value will be 30. The same will be defined, and in the second line we are trying to define a variable y and we are giving the value as 20. In next line we are writing system.out.println, and under the print statement we have written x colon under the inverted comma. It means that it will just print x colon as the same, and after that we have written plus x. So what it will do, it will just print the matter given under the inverted comma as it is. After that, to join two type of outputs we are using plus, and as we have written x without the inverted comma, so it will just take the value of x which is 30 and just print it as x colon 30. In the next line we have written system.out.println and y colon under inverted commas plus y. So what it will do, it will just print y colon in the output, and after that it will just take the value of variable y which is 20 and it will just print y colon 20 in the given output. Now in the next program we will try to print the calculated value of the integer along with some text. In the first line we are trying to define a variable x with value 30. In the next line we are trying to define a variable y with value 20, and in the third line we are defining a variable z and we are giving a value as z is equal to x plus y. So what it will do, as x plus y is 50, so it will just assign the value 50 to the variable z. In the last line we are writing z colon under two inverted commas, and after that we are writing plus z. So what it will do, it will print z colon as it is in the given output, and after that it will just take the value of z and just print the value of variable z which is 50 in the output. So it will just give the output as z colon 50. In the next program we will see that how we can print the values of the integer with some text. So in the first line we are assigning a value 30 to the variable x, and in the next line we are assigning a value 20 to the variable y, and in the next line we are trying to print it as x colon, and x colon we will include the same in inverted commas, and after that we will write plus x. So what it will do, it will just print the value of the variable x as 30, and before that it will write it as x colon, as x colon is included under the inverted commas. And we must see that if we will include x under the inverted commas, then it will give the output as x colon x. But as we have not written x under the inverted commas, so it will just print the value of the variable x. In the next line we have written y colon under the inverted commas, and after y colon we have written plus y. So it will just print the value of the variable y as 20, and before that it will print y colon in the output. In the next line we are defining the variable z with z is equal to x plus y. It means that the value of z will become 50, and as we have written z colon under the two inverted commas plus z, so it will print the output as z colon 50. Thank you very much.